The hollow moon theory: could the moon be an ancient alien base? The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, has inspired countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries throughout history. While mainstream science offers explanations for the moon's origins, some alternative theories suggest something far more mysterious. One of the most fascinating and controversial is the hollow moon theory. According to this idea, the moon might not be a natural celestial body but a hollow, artificially constructed structure, possibly serving as an ancient extraterrestrial base or spacecraft. This video explores the intriguing evidence supporting the hollow moon theory and the possibility that our moon is a remnant of an advanced alien civilization. The hollow moon theory gained significant traction in the 20th century, particularly after NASA's Apollo missions. Between 1969 and 1972, the Apollo missions placed seismometers on the moon's surface to study moonquakes and gather data about the moon's internal structure. What these instruments recorded shocked scientists and has since fueled the belief that the moon may be hollow. On November 20, 1969, after the Apollo 12 mission, NASA intentionally crashed the Lunar Module ascent stage into the moon's surface. The impact caused the moon to reverberate like a bell for over an hour, a phenomenon recorded during subsequent impacts. This ringing effect led some to theorize that the moon's interior might not be solid. Instead, it could be hollow, or at least contain vast, empty chambers, explaining the prolonged reverberations. This seismic anomaly has been one of the cornerstone pieces of evidence cited by hollow moon theorists. If the moon were a natural, solid body, it wouldn't produce such a prolonged ringing. The idea that the moon could be hollow opens the door to even more extraordinary possibilities. The moon's orbit and composition are also key points in the hollow moon theory. Unlike most moons in the solar system, which have elliptical orbits, the moon's orbit around Earth is nearly a perfect circle. This unusual orbit, combined with the fact that the moon always shows the same face to Earth, a phenomenon known as tidal locking, has led some to speculate that the moon's orbit may not be entirely natural. Proponents of the hollow moon theory suggest that such a precise orbit could be the result of deliberate positioning, potentially by an advanced alien civilization. They argue that the moon's placement and orbit are too perfect to be a coincidence, implying that the moon was placed in Earth's orbit for a specific purpose, perhaps as a monitoring station or an artificial satellite designed to observe Earth. Furthermore, the moon's composition has raised questions that mainstream science has yet to fully answer. The moon is primarily composed of materials similar to those found on Earth, yet there are subtle differences that have puzzled researchers. These discrepancies in composition could hint at an artificial origin, with the moon potentially being a shell or outer covering for something far more advanced beneath its surface. The idea that the moon is more than just a natural satellite is not new. Ancient cultures around the world have long held myths and legends suggesting that the moon is an artificial or supernatural object. For instance, some African Zulu legends speak of a time before the moon when the Earth was bathed in perpetual daylight. These stories describe the moon as being placed in the sky by two brothers, the water spirits, who stole it from a great fire dragon. Similar stories can be found in other cultures, where the moon is often portrayed as a deliberate creation rather than a natural occurrence. These ancient myths could be the remnants of a collective memory or knowledge passed down from a time when the true nature of the moon was known to humanity. The most intriguing aspect of the hollow moon theory is the suggestion that the moon could be an ancient extraterrestrial base or spacecraft. This idea was popularized in the 1970s and gained further attention with the publication of books like Who Built the Moon? By Christopher Knight and Alan Butler. According to this theory, the moon is a gigantic, hollow structure that was deliberately placed in Earth's orbit by an advanced alien race. This theory raises the possibility that the moon has been used as a monitoring station to observe Earth or perhaps as a refuge for extraterrestrial beings. Some proponents believe that the moon's vast, hollow chambers could house advanced technology or even remnants of the civilization that created it. Evidence supporting this idea includes numerous reports of strange lights and unexplained structures on the moon's surface. Over the years, both amateur astronomers and professional scientists have reported seeing unusual lights, geometric shapes, and other anomalies on the moon. These sightings have led some to speculate that these structures could be remnants of alien technology or ongoing activity beneath the moon's surface. The moon's influence on Earth is profound, affecting everything from the tides to the planet's axial tilt and climate. Some theorists suggest that this influence is no accident but rather the result of careful planning by those who placed the moon in orbit. The precise size, distance, and orbit of the moon make it the perfect candidate for stabilizing Earth's environment, leading some to believe that its placement was a deliberate act by an intelligent civilization. Could it be that the moon was positioned to help nurture and protect life on Earth? If so, this would imply that the moon is not only a base or spacecraft but also a crucial part of a larger, cosmic plan designed to support life on our planet.